Welcome to the food pairing part of our wine tasting. And for this series, we're covering the wines of Bordeaux. And if you missed the primer all about the Bordeaux region and these wines, be sure to go back and check that out. Everything here is going to help get you ready for our live event, which is coming up in a couple of weeks. I like to keep things simple, so here's how I think we should approach this set of wines. We have 2 whites and 2 reds, and while each of these wines has its own style and flavors, there are always some common denominators. For the whites, we mentioned a few key flavors, mostly floral, fruity, and some vanilla spice as well. So check this out. I've got a simple crusty bread app here with some light flavors that I think will take really well to those white wine complements. Start by toasting up some nice crusty bread, and then top that with goat or another neutral soft cheese. I'm adding some lemon zest on top of that, which is really going to make those flavors pop. Then green herbs of your choice. In this case, I'm going with some dill, some salty pistachios, and top it all with honey. The honey and the lemon are the key flavors here that really bridge well with the wines. And of course, the salty pistachios on top just add such a nice crunch. It's sublime. For our reds, I think we need to go with straight up umami flavors. I did a simple beef carpaccio here. I started by taking a piece of filet mignon and marinating it in a mixture of Dijon mustard, garlic, and olive oil. And you'll want to let that sit, preferably in the refrigerator, for a couple of minutes to let that marinade sink in. I quickly seared the filet on a screaming hot iron skillet just to get the outside a little brown, and then temporarily pop that into the freezer to get the meat firm. In the meantime, we can dice up some shallot, saute some sweet pepper, and get a little orange zest going too. When that beef is nice and firmed up, we're going to slice it as thin as you possibly can, and then plate it with all the other ingredients. And for an extra kick, balsamic vinegar, parsley, salt, and pepper. The beef and the balsamic are going to really bring out the savory qualities in this wine, first and foremost. Then you have the peppers, which are going to marry with that peppery quality from Cabernet Sauvignon, and the orange zest is really going to light up the fruit flavors. Wow. These are some pretty amazing pairings, if I do say so myself. I really hope you get a chance to make these in preparation for our upcoming live tasting. Can't wait to see you there. Cheers.